man.
Okay. Let's do this.
Run like the wind.
Wet feet, wet feet. Ew, 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 ew.
Again. What? Wet.
Do it?
Like that.
The car stopped too. No, it didn't. It actually didn't stop. Okay, there we go. My feet got nice and wet and muddy, and I'm disgusted now.
That was hard.
Oh my goodness. You're having issues today.
I know.
Travis is having some issues today.
Okay.
Anyone? I feel
No.
I gotta chill.
Okay.
I got that.
Take it, my friend.
What are we doing?
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You know how I started?
How?
No.
I want to kick you in the fucking balls.
I feel special right now.
You do. You got her over your lap. Oh, what was that? What was that? No, you're staying over his lap.
Ain't that bad, is it? Is that bad?
Oh, Jackie.
Fine, hurt my feelings.
Bertha.
Because it's in the fucking way.
Say hi.
Oh, was it a video?
Yes.
Hi. I was just smiling.
You see the video. You see what we do.
Hi. No.
No.
What's wrong? Silly. Do it again.
I can't do it on demand, goddammit.
That was her hiccup. We love you. We love you. Okay, we love you. Oh, it's recording.
Delete that. Wait.
Oh my God! Okay, hold it. Hey, look soft! What light the under window breaks? It is the east, and Jessica is the sun. Arise, fair sun, and kill the envious moon, who is already sick and pale with grief, that thou, her maid, art far more fair than she. God's last name is not Damon.
Well, then plug my laptop in before it fucking dies, please. No, I have a shitty battery.
Continue. Be not her maid, since she is envious. Her best delivery is but...
Good job.
Oh my God, this is... Oh, that she knew she were.
Oh, Jess.
What?
They
Come
made
here. Honey, I'm naked. I don't have time for this.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
Okay, then go to her room. Under it.
Really well. So he probably heard his phone picks the sound really well.
some gold right
No.
No, yes it
Censor my face out.
No, that's not happening.
is. It's too priceless not to.
Yeah.